Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day video. Today we came here to check the truck, make sure everything's good for tomorrow. Check it out, guys. We washed the truck yesterday. We called the guy that washes the truck for us, and look how good it looks. First time the truck getting its bath with the new things that he got. Truck looks really clean. Looks awesome. By the way, guys, today we might polish the truck. Not like using special things. I'm gonna show y'all what we got yesterday. So me and my dad said that we really wanted to polish the truck because, to make it look shiny, right? The chrome, everything. And we went. So I went to the T800 group, my friend's group. And I saw this post that a guy said that he used something called Mothers to polish his T800. It looked pretty good. It looked shiny, and I showed my dad, and I was like, we should probably try doing that. It's gonna look pretty good. And we got this spray that we could use. I'm sorry, guys. My dad turned on the truck, but yeah, I saw that he was using like a crema to polish the truck, and we were looking for it, but we couldn't find it. But we got this. We got that. And we got this also. We also got these so we could like scrub it a little bit better. Pretty nice. Hopefully it does turn out well. Okay, so we're gonna try to polish it. There is gonna be the visor, the bug shields, the mirrors, and the bumper. And hopefully it turns out good. My dad already started doing it, and see how it goes. You can already see the difference. It's starting to become shiny. I have really good news. So, today the time zone changed here in Houston, in the United States. So now it's like it's gonna be brighter outside towards the end of the day, like at 7, 8, and it's gonna become morning. Like morning's gonna become pushed back, so it's the daylight. I mean, I don't know what it's called. Daylight saving time, I think. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And also, I want to show you something that not that long ago. I wanted a GoPro, so I could like record and all that. But I ended up making my invention with a couple zip ties, and I cut it and made it be my head size, and now I can record good with my head. Bro, guys, I'm gonna try using my invention and see how it records. So I put the zip tie over my head. Now I'm putting the phone in. So now it should be recording. Hold up, let me make it better. I kinda put it like not in the best way. Guys, I'm under the trailer so y'all can see me a little bit and see how I do it. I know the camera might be a little bad, but it's alright. So this is what it is. I put it over my head, but I pull my hair up. And then, yeah, I have a lot of space with it, and here I fit my phone. Alright, I'm trying to put it on, guys. But y'all can see, well, I don't understand why it's not fitting through, but it should be. Alright, I'm trying to put it on. That's how I put it on, guys, and now y'all can see pretty much what I see. Pretty cool. It's a little bit above, but it's alright. So yeah, I'm show me checking the tires. My dad told me that how you identify if the tires are low is by hearing the sound it makes. So all of these are okay. Then we need to check these. I told my dad to also polish the mud flap fingers. I don't know if you remember, like around a year ago, we installed the mud flap fingers and they turned out pretty good. I want to install not a T-bar, but I don't know, it's pretty cool. So you have these two, but it's a whole bar. And then it has like a middle piece, and you can put it upside down, and it's like this. It's normal like this, but it's a whole bar across. So it's pretty cool. Check this out, guys. Something I never showed you. But yeah, it's our drive shaft and everything. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Putting it back on again. So the only bad thing is that I had to take off, I had to take off the phone and everything. And it gets pretty annoying at sometimes, but it is what it is. Should be on my head, guys. Make sure it's recording. Yeah. So, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the sleeper, cause I never show y'all this. And out of curiosity, so this is how it is. Pretty neat. We really do try to take care of our sleeper, so I can tell our dash and everything's pretty messed up, but that's how my dad got the truck, and throughout the years it's been breaking more and more like that. By the way, this is our CB radio. It's a Cobra 25 WX and WST. Pretty good. This is our radio. It's noise canceling, pretty nice. Yeah, something like that right there, I think. Yeah. Check it out, guys. We did the grill too. It's pretty shiny. I'm not gonna lie. First, the too wasn't that great, but it is what it is. I'm gonna tell my dad to buy the other one, the one that I saw on the T800 group. I'm gonna try using that. Truck looks pretty good though. I really do like how it looks. Check it out, guys. I told my dad that in the future we nearly like Monday. Yeah. I told my dad that in the future we polish our trailer, rims, and all that, fenders, maybe. And it would be pretty cool. I really do want to do all that. Right back, guys. You have good news and bad news. Alright. For good news, I'm gonna go first. Then not good news, right? We polish the grill. Look, see? We polish the bug shield. It's pretty good. We polish these guys a little bit. We're not polishing the glasses. Then we polish the top part. The mirrors too. You can't go wrong with the mirrors and the windows outside too. But we found out the bad news. The base of our mirror is broken. Like where it's mounted on. I don't know how it looks like, but that's really bad news because we need a mirror, you know. But yeah, the other day I was at work with my dad, and well, we've kind of been knowing it, but our mirror vibrates too much, way too much, and we already knew it, right? Since we already knew that it was doing that a lot of years ago. So yeah, then not even like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we saw that it was moving way too much. I guess my dad came up with an idea. He's gonna try to do that. So I'll show you. It's pretty cool. And like, if you come over here on the right side of our trailer, you can find this. This is the information on our trailer. It states here, made by Vintage Dump Trailers. Where? Katy, Texas. Day of manufacture. It's February 1998. Type of wheels. All types of wheels. Also check out what I found. This trailer. And our friend on the parks with us. I want to show you something. Let me look for it though. Okay. It is a Travis. It weighs 9,400 pounds. Look what year it is. That is a really old trailer. 1973. Over 40 years old. Well, almost 40. It's 39 by now, I think. Really old trailer. And it's hooked up to a practically new truck. So I made a video on this truck before. It's a 1998. Our trailer's a 1998. This truck is a 2013. Peterbilt 386. Pretty much new. Okay, this material. It's like a type of sand. I like it is because I can step on it. And my shoe doesn't get that dirty. I'll show you how my dad's doing. Also, it's a thing I'm gonna do to this video because I've seen a lot of people do something like this, so I'm gonna try it out. So I want you to go down below in the comments down here if they're activated. I don't know why sometimes they're blocked if they don't work. Or if they don't work, you can go to my Instagram and send me a DM. I'm gonna try my best to respond. Tell me, will y'all give my truck a 1 out of 10? And if it's not a 10, tell me Booker make my truck be a 1 out of 10. Please participate in it. It will be pretty cool and fun. And if y'all do participate, I'm gonna shout y'all out, your Instagram or whatever y'all want. And yeah, I do it. Another thing, guys, thank you so much for almost 100. We're at 99 right now. Let's try hitting 100. I really appreciate y'all for joining in with the journey for our truck, everything we've done to it, like the mud flap hangers, the door trims, the visor, the bumper, everything we've done to the truck. I really appreciate y'all for joining the journey of us doing it, and there's way more going on. That helped me reach one of my goals, which was reaching 100 subscribers, and I really appreciate y'all guys for that. But let's keep on with the video. What my dad is. I'm gonna show you what my dad was doing. Up here in the visor, he was trying to put some zip ties so it doesn't make as much noise. And yeah, he shaped that a little bit the visor so it didn't look that bad. And yeah. Well guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I'm ending it right here so you guys, there isn't that much more to show now. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I really appreciate y'all for watching, and like I said, thank you so much for 99, almost 100 subscribers. And it's barely starting. It's barely started. There's a lot more going on in the future. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. Hope y'all enjoyed.